The Char-Broil Classic Gas Grill has all the features you need for a great tasting cookout, and all at an affordable price. No matches are needed with a piezo igniter. You can light all your burners with a simple push of a button. The stainless steel burners provide an even heat across the cooking surface. Porcelain-coated heat tents protect the burners and keep the heat focused where it should be, on your food. The durable porcelain coating on the cooking grates make them rust-resistant and easy to clean. With the Char-Broil Classic series, choose from 2, 3, and 4 burner options to suit all your grilling needs. The wide metal side shelves give you ample preparation space, and optional side burners are perfect for warming sauces and side dishes. And they're built to last with durable steel frame construction and large wheels that make it easy to move and store. With a 5-year burner warranty, you can feel confident preparing great tasting meals for the long haul. The Char-Broil Classic Gas Grill is a smart and affordable choice to get your next cookout started.